Most cylinder head failures don't start as a catastrophic failure. They start with small problems that drivers keep running until the cylinder head is already damaged. What we see in the shop is this. By the time the truck shows obvious symptoms, the damage has already been happening for a while. Cylinder head failures almost always result in something being ignored. The most common cause is overheating. Whether it's low coolant, restricted airflow, or cooling system issues, heat puts stress on the cylinder head long before a warning light stays on. Another big contributor is combustion pressure getting where it doesn't belong. That can show up as pressure in the cooling system, unexplained coolant loss, or contamination that doesn't make sense at first glance. And then there's wear and improper repairs. Valve train components, cam surfaces, and sealing areas all rely on precision and cleanliness. Once tolerance are compromised, damage accelerates quickly. Here's a part a lot of people underestimate. Cylinder head repairs are precision repairs. This isn't a job where shortcuts are forgiving. Cleanliness matters. Torque sequence matters. Timing matters. One mistake during a cylinder head repair can lead to wiped cams, damaged injectors, or a repeat failure shortly after startup. That's why these jobs need to be done correctly the first time. Now, there are warning signs drivers often ignore. Unexplained coolant loss, pressure building in the cooling system, white smoke, hard starts, or low power paired with heat issues. Those are early indicators, not things to drive through. Catching a cylinder head issue early can be the difference between a controlled repair and a full replacement. Once the head is damaged, options get limited and downtime gets expensive. The goal isn't just fixing what failed, it's understanding why it failed in the first place. That's how you protect the engine and prevent it from happening again. If you're seeing unexplained coolant loss, pressure in the cooling system, overheating, or power issues, don't keep driving it and hope it clears up. Cylinder head problems don't fix themselves. They get more expensive the longer they're ignored. The right move is getting it inspected properly before secondary damage happens. If you're in the Dallas area and want this checked out by a shop that works on these engines every day, give us a call at TAT Express. A proper inspection now can save you from a full engine failure later.